Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. Let us come back to our English class. Can you tell me what we were learning in the last class? We were learning about the expert detectives. Expert detectives. In that lesson, some exercises are there. We will see today. Please open your textbook on page number 93. The word tip has only 3 letters but many meanings. Match the word with its meanings below. Tip, we will learn this letter has only 3 letters in this letter word, but it got many meanings. You know, the last expert detective, we learned that this man was paying tips for him to the Ramesh, who Mr. Nath was paying, giving tips. Tips means giving money for bringing his food. So no, we learned like that. So here, some of the match of followings are given with the word tip, but it has lot of meaning in that one. So now we will read it and we have to match that one. First one you see, fingertips, the tip of your nose, tip the water out of the bucket, have something on the tip of your tongue, tip the pot over, tip him a rupee, the tip of the pat, the police were tipped off, if you take my tip, the pat tipped the ball. So here, the fingertips, this side you see there are so many other, be about to say something, make the pot overturn, the ends of one's fingers, give a rupee to him to thank him, empty a bucket by tilting it, the pointed end of your nose. If you take this advice, the pat lightly touched the ball, the end of the pat, the police were told or warned. So there are 10 words are given. We have to choose the correct one. First one, can you tell me what is the one? First one, fingertips. You know what is a fingertip means? The ends of one's finger. We call them fingertip. Within a fingertip, you can say within a fingertip means the ends of one's fingers. Next, the tip of your nose. The pointed end here, the tip of the nose means the pointed end of your nose. Tip the water out of the bucket means empty bucket by tittling it, means throw the water, empty bucket. Next, have something on the tip of your tongue. Be about to say something. How something means you want to say something. We say it came up to tip of my mouth, tongue, I stopped. For example, suppose when they speak something, it came to me to want to say, it came up to tip of my tongue, but I didn't say, we say. So that means to want to say something, but we didn't say. Next, tip the pot over means make the pot overturn. Turning the pot over. Tip the pot means turning the pot completely ulta. Tip him a rupee. Give a rupee to him to thank him. So tip him a rupee means give the, for example, we learned Mr. Nath was giving money for him for bringing his food. So when somebody does some help for us, we are giving the money. Give a rupee to him to thank him. Next, the tip of the pat, the end of the pat. Pat, the boys play the cricket and all. Yes or no? In that pat, the end of the pat we call the end of the tip of the pat. The police were tipped off. Means here the police were scolded or they were warned. Maybe sometimes some instruction is given them or some mistake they have given. They were scolded or they have given the thorough warning for the police. Next, if you take my tip, it means here, if you take my tip means if you take my advice. The advice what I give you, if you take, it will be good for you. That is the meaning of this one. The pat tipped the ball means the pat what happened? It went and touched lightly on the light. The pat lightly touched the ball means when they are playing. What happened? The pat when they are playing cricket, only lightly it touched. It does didn't touch pull the pat, only lightly touch. So see here, the tip word has so many meanings in this one. Next, you see the second one. The words helper, companion, partner and accomplice have very similar meanings. My companion, my helper, my partner, see accompanied me. So it has a similar meaning. Almost they are having the same meaning, but each word is typically used in certain phrases. Though have the similar meaning, but they are used in a different situation, different words. Can you fill in the blanks below with the most commonly used words? So a dictionary may help you sometimes here. Here, first one you see business dash. Second one my dash on the journey. I am mother's little dash. A faithful dash such as a dog. The thief's dash. Find a good dash. Tennis, golf, bridge dash. His dash in his criminal activities. So what will come first one? We can say there are four words are there. What are the words? Helper, helper, companion, partner and last one accomplice. See helper. Helper means she is my helper who is helping us. My companion means we can say when we together we studied in the school and we say we are same companion, we studied together, my companion. Next partner, my partner. The parents they say their husband, he is my partner, she is my partner, husband and wife they say my partner. Next accomplice means came with me, along with me like that. Here first one you see business, what we call them? Business partner. My business partner. My business partner. Second one we can say my dash on the journey. So my companion on the journey. See companion accompanied my journey la. See accompanied me companion. My companion on the journey. Next one I am mother's little helper. I am mother of little children. So helper. I am a little help for my mother. So that third word is a helper. I am my mother's little helper. Fourth one we say a faithful dash such as dog. So what we can say a faithful companion. The dog is always a faithful companion for us. So again companion C-O-M. The dog is a faithful companion for us. It is always it will always be with us. Companion. Next, the thief's accomplice. Accomplice. Next, find a good helper. We need some helper, so we have to find a good helper in our house for working or whatever. Maybe find a good helper. Next, tennis, golf, cricket, partner. These are the games. They are my partner. They are my partner for these games. They are my partner. Next, his dash in his criminal activities. His accomplice. He for his criminal activities. He also accompanied him. Accomplice. For his criminal activity, he also was accompanying him. So he also one of the partner for him, not a partner, one of the person who accompanied him for his all the criminal activities. Next you see again there is a match of followings are there. Now let us look at the uses of the word break. Match the word with its meaning below. Words are given, you have to match it. Try to find it at least 3 other ways in which to use the word. What are the words are given? The storm broke, daybreak. The storm broke means the wind, daybreak. Next, his voice beginning to break. Next, her voice broke and she cried. The heat wave broke. We learned the heat wave, the exercise we learned. So now by using the word we learned heat wave breaks. After so many, so improved we land in the match of following. The heat wave broke the bad news, break a strike, find your own, that is you have to find some more our own meaning 7th one. Next you see first one, the storm broke. What do you mean by storm broke means, here what are the words given? There are so many words this side. Could not speak, was too sad to speak, this kind of weather enhanced. It began or burst into activity, the beginning of daylight, changing as he grows up, end it by making the workers submit, gently told someone the bad news. So first one we see, the storm broke. What is the correct answer? Here comes. The storm broke means it began to burst into activity in the breeze. Storm broke means the breeze, when the heavy breeze comes, what is happening, everything will be break into pieces. There will be so many pieces, the branch will break into the pieces, and the cloth where they are tied up, it will taken away. So it began to burst out. When the heavy wind came, it started to do its activities. Next, daybreak. Daybreak means the beginning of the daylight. It began, the beginning, the today's started. Next one, his voice beginning to break means, his voice beginning to break means, as the children, when we grow up, what is happening for the boys, the change of voice will be taking place. Completely the voice will change. So that is the thing here. His voice break, his voice is beginning to break means changing as he grows up. As they are growing, their voice will be there. Lot of change will take place in the voice. Her voice broke and she cried means, her voice broke means when we are bitterness, when we are sorrow, we are not able to speak with anybody. What we will do? Could not speak, was too sad to speak. Suppose if we quote the bad news, what will happen to us? We will not be able to speak and will cry bitterly. That is the meaning. Could not speak, was too sad to speak. Next, the heat wave broke. The heat wave broke means the kind of weather ended. Already there was a bird weather, now it is ended and it started the new weather. The heat wave broke. Already there was a summer maybe, so due to now summer is completely stopped, now the new weather started. The kind of weather ended, the summer is ended. Next, broke the bad news means, suppose something happened, some accident took place, somebody died, what we have to do? We have to come and tell them. We are going and informing the news to the particular person. So what the word comes here? Gently told someone the bad news. So not going immediately running and going and telling them, we make them to sit with them. Slowly we are inquiring, we are asking you, how are you, how is this one going on, like that. Slowly we ask about that particular person whom is no more, and we slowly we reveal the news. So gently we say about the bad news to them. Next, break a strike means end it by making the workers submit. Suppose the big companies, when the salaries are not given, the bonus are not given, the workers will be making a strike. So same here, the strike means end it by making the workers submit. So we have to end the for the strike. There is a full stop. We have to put the strike for the strike, and we have to make the workers to submit. Means make them end the strike and make them to work it. Breaks one's word means, 7th one they asked us to find out. The last one we can find our own word. Break one's word means suppose somebody, we promised, we believed somebody and say we told them something, they are not able to keep up their promise and they go and tell it out. That only, not to abide by one's promise. The promise what they kept, they are not able to keep it as a secret. What they are doing, the promise, they break it and they go and tell it. Suppose some very confident message, you have something you experience and you went and share to one particular person whom you believe, but they promise that they will not reveal to anybody, but finally what happened? They revealed, not able to keep up the words what they promised. So speaking kills is I think already I have told you, I think. Otherwise, if not, you do it. Yeah, this is for yourself only. You have to do it by yourself. Play detectives and with each other. You have to play the detective role. Find a person in your class for some other acquaintance to speak. There are questions are given under here. you have to ask them. When you ask to them, you have to talk to them in a polite way, in a manner way. And you should not offense, you should not make them to hurt them, the way, the word we question them. Sometimes we want to, in order to get the truth, the force, very harsh word we use them. But because of that, what happened, they will be hurt by the words and they will not be cooperative to us. So when we do some detective works, even if we notice the CBI, the police, they question them such a way, at test they don't do it in a harsh way. They send gently, they go. If they don't listen only, then they use some other punishment in order to get the word. So whenever we talk to somebody, in order to get the news, first we have to start in a gentle way. If they are not cooperating after so many ways also, then only we can use. So when we have dialogue with somebody, when we question something in order to find out, the way we ask, they should not know that we are inquiring about them. Such a way it should be maintained. And not only that, we cannot force the person also to say. So the name, these are the questions are given. You have to ask about the name and what newspapers or magazine does the person read, what newspaper they are reading, and how long has the person lived at the current address. The same house, how many years and they are living that address, particular house. What does she or he do during the day or daily routine? For example, what is the work they are doing, what is the daily activities. Next, what do neighbors and friends say about the person, about that particular person whom you are inquiring, what the others neighbor and they are telling about that particular person. We have to find out who are his visitors and what are her eating about. It may be a boy or girl, and who is coming to visit them and what are the food they like and what that all how to we have to inquire. You can ask a few others about this. Even although some other question also you can add along with this one. What do you think about the person? You have to find out all these. You have to yourself has to do it. Next student, we have one small poem in this one. We will continue that one also. The small poem. So dear students, when we get sweating and all, where we like to go and sit? Where we like to go and sit? Can you tell me? We may like to go and sit outside where we get the breeze, or sometimes where there is a window, open door or the open ground, mainly where we like to go and sit. Immediately when we go for exercise and after coming playing, we will be sweating lot. Immediately where we like to sit, we go on where our hands goes, it goes to immediately the electricity board, it goes to the switchboard. What we do, we switch on the fan and we sit down. So you know everybody about the fan. You know what are the uses of the fans. You know without fan we cannot remain, especially during the summer season when there is a hot, we cannot remain. So let us see what the fan is telling here. Mystery means very difficult to understand. What is a fan talking to us today? Let us see. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. So there was a fan. What he was chatter? He was a electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So it is written by Madhu Rubin. The poem, once there was a talking fan. Do you think that the fan talks? Do you think that the fan talks? We will talk. We are human beings, we talk. Even the animals, they cannot talk, but in the form of barking, they express their actions. Do you think the fan talk? Yes, even they also speak. How they speak? When something is happened to them, they make lot of noise. From that we can understand, and sometimes what happens, even they stop running, the running will be stopped, rotating will be stopped. From that we can understand that something happened to the fan. Here, once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter, means there was a fan, talking fan, electrical means concerning electricity. Electrical. concerning electricity. Can we able to live without current, power, electricity? Without electricity, we cannot live. Nowadays, modern world, what is happening? Everything is used by the current, so we cannot live our life without electricity. So here, electrical means concerning about the electrical, the power. Electrical is chatter. Chatter means to murmur, murmuring. To murmur. So once the fan was what it was doing, it was talking. The current fan was talking. What it was talking, it was murmuring. I couldn't quite hear what he said. I couldn't understand what he said to me, and I hope it doesn't matter. I hope it doesn't matter for me. He's telling whatever it murmured, but I couldn't understand. And whatever maybe it is, it doesn't matter to me. But because one day somebody oiled means somebody oiled his little boiling motor. So one day what happened? Somebody came and applied some oil to the rotating fan. Oiling means rotating. So the motor which was running, they came and put the oil, his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. Mystery means it is a secret of this world. Mystery. Spoiled means stop, ending. The fan was talking something. Now when somebody came and put oil, immediately it stopped talking. It spoiled. He ran as still as water. He ran as still as water means it was running still noiseless, without any noise it was running. So that means what it is they are telling here, when something happened to the fan, what they do, they make the sound. Yes or no? Suppose something happened to us, what we do, we tell our parents if we are feeling hungry, if we are not keeping well, our stomach pain, stomach ache or something happens to us a day, we go and tell our parents that I feel this way, I feel hungry. But do the things are these are these are no living things. Are they able to speak? No, they speak in the form of the current speaks there. When we switch on the fan, when it is rotating, there is sound was made. So when this man didn't understand what is the reason this fan is making sound, so what he called it, he called the electrician, the plumber or electrician, one who does the electric work, and he came under electrician because they studied what are the things are present in that and how they work. So when he came under, he put some oil on that one. I tell you what happened. The sound stopped. The running, the sound. It was when while it was rotating, there was some sounds were there. That sound stopped and it started to run smoothly without any noise. So that is a fan that talked. He is telling the man. The narrator is telling Madhu Rubin what he is telling Madhu Rubin, how the fan talked to him and how he repaired that. But not he didn't repair, he couldn't understand the problem of the fan. He called the electrician and the electrician came and repaired and he understood the problem of the fan. So here mystery means the secret of the fan, why it made the sound, mystery. Next, spoiled means injured. The sound ended completely. Stopped. Next, still. Still means noiseless, quiet. It became quiet. Became quiet or noiseless we can say. So when they applied oil, what happened to the fan? It stopped making sound, it started to run smoothly. So for this about the fan, the mystery of the fan means the secret of the fan. What is the secret of fan? When it was not keeping oil, it was making sound. Means the part which is in the fan, they need some repairment. They also need some energy. So what they put the oil, some poured oil. When the oil is applied on that particular things, what happened? It stopped making sound and it is started to run smoothly. Not only the motor, fan, any things you take, electrical things, when it is not good in condition, it will make a sound. Then what we do? We have to see, open and see, and we have to understand. That is the way of their talking. We means we express in the form of words, but what they do? In the form of sound, through the electrical sound, electrical power, they make the sound. From that we have to understand that something happened to this one. So here students, with this one I complete this class. We see in the next class.